Are you a beauty professional looking to streamline your payment process? Today we are diving into how to do a payout on Glossgenius, ensuring you get paid quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. When your client is ready to pay, guide them to your point of sale system. They can either swipe their card or scan their phone. This is called transaction initiation. If they prefer, they can also pay online by entering their payment information for services, deposits, or gift cards. Once the transaction is initiated, the payment gateway comes into play. This secure channel encrypts your client's payment information and sends it to Glossgenius, safeguarding sensitive data during transmission. This process ensures that every transaction is accurate and secure. If you have a team of stylists or wellness professionals, Glossgenius allows you to customize access for them. This means they can manage their own client checkouts and receive direct payouts to their bank accounts. It's a great way to keep everyone organized and in control of their finances. One of the standout features of Glossgenius is instant payout. Imagine wrapping up a service and having the funds in your accounts in as little as 30 minutes. Most payment processors take days to transfer funds, but with Glossgenius you can access your earnings almost immediately. Perfect for those who want to keep their cash flow fresh. With Glossgenius, managing payments has never been easier. From seamless transaction initiation to instant payouts, this platform is designed for beauty professionals who value efficiency and speed. Ready to experience hassle-free payouts? Try Glossgenius free for 14 days and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials that help you elevate your business.